Hi everyone. A bike with a lot of steam. Pascal aka Kalle started his apprenticeship as a bike mechanic in the team of the Thunderbike Service Workshop in 2010. Since 2019 he is master in his profession and for him everything revolves around Harleys. Why of all things a Fat Bob? For Kalle, it was clear that if a Harley then one that has a lot of bang from the start. It had to be a Milwaukee-Eight, of course. But which model? Definitely with a 114 engine and the street Bob and company fell out and Pascal still didn't feel old enough for a touring model. Fatboy, FXDR and breakout models are available in the store in every shape, color and style. But when the Bike Week Wheeling and Ride Out with the Thunderbike team took place and Pascal had grabbed a Fat Bob demonstrator for the weekend, he realized that this moped was going to be it. Agile, a lot of ground clearance, a comfortable seating position, and also in retro sport bike look with modern components. For Kalle, this is an all-round awesome bike with a lot of potential. There was only the question of the color choice to be clarified. His motto, every color is beautiful as long as it is black. But if you see 100 motorcycles every day and 90% of them are black and the only difference is denim or glossy black, then at some point you have had enough. But actually the Fat Bob was also offered with a special paint called Scorched Orange. Jackpot! A color scheme that perfectly matches the lines of the bike. To get a more sporty look the original fender struts were shortened after the rear fender license plate conversion. Next stop for the Fat Bob was Dawn Performance in Bremen. The tuning components air filter, camshaft and exhaust were adapted software technically. But in order to handle the achieved performance well, the much too soft original chassis had to give way and be replaced by Hyperpro exchange springs. In order to get the box then also still with higher speeds well to the stop to get the Thunderbike 340mm brake discs blocked. The one or other will certainly still change, here's still something powder, there's still another little lid, still a little bit engraving but first of all riding and enjoying the weather. The next major interventions are scheduled for next winter. Pascal's goal is to crack the 150 PS, even if many now say, this is a Harley and not a race bike, customizing as everyone likes it. Probably a new complete chassis for an even more brutal look and even better handling is needed. Thanks for watching.